Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at the Master Grade Gym Command Colony type. So, as always, huge thank you to USA Gundam Store for sending this to me. If you want to pick this up or anything else from their site, check the link down below. Save 10%. Use that ZakuAurelius 10 coupon code there. Really cool box art here. First off, right off the bat, I love this really cool box art. All of the Gym Master Grade kits we've had recently, especially the Gym Sniper 2, had some really cool box art. This one as well, I think this one I like quite a lot as well. You have the little soldiers running down here at the bottom. That's cool, little like cars and all that down here at the bottom, and then you have like the background there showing the colony all there. If you take a look at the detail there behind the gym, not only are just the really nice painting illustration there of the mobile suit itself, but the background was super detailed there with all of that. I wonder if that's actually maybe just photoshopped in of like some like actual like farmscape aerial photography, and then here at the bottom you have those soldiers there. Really cool. On the bottom of the box you can see just the same kind of stuff there. Here on the side of the box, it's talking about the articulation of the body. This kit is really nicely articulated there in the stomach. That was kind of built in for the Gym Sniper for it to be able to bend over really far for it to do its sniping pose. This one, not really going to come with a whole lot in terms of the accessories. Just have the machine gun there, and then the beam saber and the shield, and that's pretty much it. But some more details here showing the articulation of the legs, the feet, the shoulders, some really dynamic posing, the neck, again that was for the Gym Sniper 2, but can be utilized for this kit as well. Here's showing the unpainted model kit, how it's going to look straight out of the box with nothing done special to it, just some stickers on there, and I think that's about it. The list price here for this one, 3,500 yen, very cheap for a really awesome Master Grade. I believe the Gym Sniper 2 was just a couple hundred yen more, so I still think that I'll prefer the Gym Sniper 2 over this one, but this one should be pretty nice as well. Just some more details here, just showing the front view, back view, the head, some nice clear green parts there for the visor. Cool backpack, but I think I've seen that we do also have the parts to make the regular Gym Sniper 2 backpack as well, if you prefer that one. We'll take a look at that. The extra ammo clips from the machine gun can be stored in the back of the shield. And then we have some more details here about the figure, the cockpit hatch opens, and then the markings specific for this kit. Nothing really too particular, it's just EFSF basic markings. Not all that exciting. So in our first bag here, just some frame parts. If you guys aren't familiar with this is using some frame from the Gundam 2.0. So about half the frame is new and half the frame is from the 2.0 Gundam. So that kit is a little bit old, but it's still a really, really nice frame. So we're going to have some new parts in here, some recycled parts, really small bit of foil stickers there. Really nice kind of off-white cream color. It's definitely not white, so like a light tan cream color. Really nice color. The weapons as well, again from the Gym Sniper 2. Whole bunch of frame, and it looks like, actually I was wrong with the dry transfers, it's just all stickers unfortunately, so not even going to have any dry transfers with this kit. That's a shame. But here in the bottom, we can finally make our way to the instruction manual here, just the same box art. Once again on the back, nice big painted reference image here for you to see if you do want to paint it in the official colors, but that's boring, right? Unless you're like a completionist or you just like to have things in their original colors. But personally I like to get a little bit more creative with my kits when painting. But here's the MS tracks in UC 0079, showing a cool pose there with it leaned against a building changing his ammo. Painting guide here listed in all Japanese and English. Painting guide for the pilot figure as well. It's just going to be a kind of generic EFSF pilot there in a normal suit, and a quick tip for pen aligning to bring out a little bit more of the details on the kit. Not super detailed in its surface details, I think, for this particular design, but it does have some of that nice armor separation that we'd expect from a Master Grade, so that's something, I guess. Weaponry here, again, not really a whole lot, pretty basic, so I think this might be one of those kits that you can have fun doing some customizing for. Use some like Kotobukiya weapon sets or something, have some fun with this. So here is our parts list. You can see a whole bunch of X's there, leftover parts from other different kits. Again, some of the frame runners are from the Gundam 2.0, and then some of these parts are going to be from the regular Gym Sniper 2. And we'll see some leftover hand parts as well. And then it's just all going through the construction. I won't go through all of this, but you guys know what to expect. It's just basic manual instruction guide. Let's go to the back though, see if there's anything of a particular mention. Once you're through with all the construction and it shows you how to mount the weapons and hold all the weapons and everything, looks like you can also mount the beam saber handles from the back skirt onto the back of the shield if you prefer. And then here is the marking guide, again just for the stickers that are included with the kit. They'll give you a guide for where to place those around on the mobile suit and the weapons and accessories. So let's get a look at the runners. Okay, so first up here is our foil sticker sheet, just 4 little green foil stickers, I guess for cameras on the head and weapons, I guess for the machine gun anyway. And then again, our sticker decal sheet, a couple of basic EFSF logos, some numbers there you can choose from, and then a whole bunch of just kind of caution markings, a little GM marking there, some other EFSF logos and all of that. So cool if you want to use the stickers. For polycaps, we just have this small PC202, little polycap runner here in standard gray. And then runner SB1 Beam Saber 1 for our standard 1/100 scale pink Beam Saber effect parts. Runner A here is a funny shaped runner, not a whole lot to it. It's in that cream color and then some standard gray. This runner is from the Gym Sniper 2, so not new particularly for this kit, but as you can see it's chopped up to omit parts that were needed for the Gym Sniper 2, but not needed in this case. Runner B here, also from the Gym Sniper 2, so again, no new parts yet, but some really nice brown color for this. I like this color quite a bit. So if you've ever used like a mahogany color paint, like Mr. Color mahogany paint, it's a really close color to that. Maybe a little bit darker, a little less warm than that, but it's a pretty cool brown color. Runner C, another chopped up runner from the Gym Sniper 2. We've got our shield parts on there, some skirt parts, our seated pilot figure on here, and just a couple of hand covers on Runner C. And there's no runner D1, but we do have runner D2 here for a few more parts still from the Gym Sniper 2 for the shoulders, the legs, a couple parts there for the feet and the lower leg. And then we have 2 of this D2 runner. Then we've got E1 is back to just standard gray for some inner frame parts. And as I said, this is using some parts from the Master Grade 2.0 Gundam inner frame, but these are some of the new parts specific for this inner frame. This is still from the Gym Sniper 2 though, so if you built that, this is still going to be new. We do also have runner E2, which is a copy of this half of the runner. Runner F is a nice big runner here of some more new frame parts. This is still from the Gym Sniper 2. And as you can see, we just got all these frame parts here, nice gray, nicely detailed, some finger parts there, and knee parts, ankle parts, all of that fun stuff. Then we got runner H here, and now this is finally getting into some of the Master Grade 100 scale Gundam version 2.0 inner frame. This one is in polystyrene though. I thought I remember these runners in previous kits being in ABS, but this one is in polystyrene. This is from 2008, so that's when the Gundam 2.0 did come out, but again, this frame is still really nice, so definitely still holds up. Runner I is pretty much the same as Runner H, just more inner frame parts from the Gundam version 2.0, again in polystyrene, not ABS, so I think that's new for this kit. And then Runner J is, again, just more of the same, gray, polystyrene, plastic parts, inner frame parts from the Gundam version 2.0, so no ABS in this kit apparently. Then we finally get some brand new parts specifically for this kit. This is runner L for the Master Grade 1/100 scale Gym Command. We have a 4-color runner here, a couple of red parts there up in the corner, the new green visor piece there at the bottom, a couple of brown parts there for the new parts for the chest and backpack, and then some new inner frame parts there in gray. Runner N1 here is our new armor parts for this kit, so new parts for the head, legs, and crotch, and that's pretty much it. Not a whole lot new in terms of the armor specific for this kit. Runner N2 here as well as a copy of this half of the runner. And then we're back to just regular gray here for runner MP. This is MG 100 scale MS Hand A runner, and there's a couple parts on this runner that we're not going to be using. I think they're like specific trigger finger hands, maybe for, like for the left hand, since this one doesn't have more than one gun anyway. But again, these are just the same hand parts that we saw with the Gym Sniper 2. And then finally, runner WP for Master Grade 100 scale weapon. And this is, again, just our machine gun for the kit. I really like this design. It's pretty basic. If you wanted something a little bit more interesting, a little bit more unique, this is maybe not the most exciting thing in the world, but I really like the design of this weapon, so I'm happy with this. And hey, the same weapon came with the Gym Sniper 2, so if you have the Gym Sniper 2 and you prefer to just keep that holding its machine gun, then what you could do is just give that weapon to this kit and have your Gym Command dual-wielding machine guns. It could be pretty cool, which is a fun idea. But again, I think this kit, we're probably going to see a lot of customs coming out of this kit, with it just being pretty basic, pretty simple, but a very versatile design. There's already a lot of, like, in canon different modifications of this kit, so you could go for something in canon or go for something completely original. Looks like it's going to be a fun kit. I really like the Gym Sniper Custom and the Gym Sniper 2, both fantastic master grades, so I'm sure this one will be as well. So again, thank you to USA Gundam Store. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the review. Bye bye.
Hey! Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you want to check the kit out for yourself, you can head over to USA Gundam Store. Use that coupon code ZakuAurelius10. Save yourself 10%. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.